All right. So, um, after replacing replacing the carburetor, the filter, and the fuel filter and the air filter, we got it started, as you know from the previous episode. But we noticed there was a lot of white smoke coming out. Sean Michael did some research, and we determined that the smoke was being caused by too much oil in the engine. So we removed some oil from the engine to resolve that problem. And sure enough, after we removed the oil, the engine was started right up, and there was no smoke that came out.
Although it still died every time I let off the brake.
It did, yeah. So anyway, so we thought we resolved the smoking issue, which we did by removing some of the oil.
It created another issue.
And apparently another issue was created as Sean Michael was testing it out.
Should we hear it run, Dad?
Yeah, let's hear it run.
Engine seized up.
Engine seems to seize up. Now it doesn't even turn, and the motor doesn't turn at all. So
Yep.
we got a situation where we believe that the engine seized. The motor is frozen, and I suspect due to a lack of oil in the engine. So we've got a situation now.
You think the engine burned and melted the piston onto the crankcase.
Yeah, I believe the piston got hot. Everything got hot inside the engine because of the lack of oil, and it just froze. The metal froze together.
No.
So
it was cool when I started it. It didn't even fire up before it seized. It just seized while spinning. Just free spinning by itself with the starter. And it just stopped.
well,
And now the starter is engaged and I can't disengage it because it only disengages when the engine starts spinning. So, yeah.
Yeah, so
Gotta take the hood, this whole thing off, then take off the head and bang on the head of the piston with a rubber mallet.
So your plan is to take off. You gotta take off the hood. You gotta take off the head off the engine.
Yep.
In order to get to the piston.
In order to get to the piston head, yeah.
The piston head.
Mm-hmm.
And then your plan is to bang on the piston head
with a rubber mallet.
With a rubber mallet.
Not a metal hammer.
Not a metal hammer, but
a rubber mallet.
Rubber mallet.
I have done this before.
In an attempt to loosen the piston.
I've done it before and it worked.
Well, all right. Well, we'll
have to do that tomorrow.
All right. We'll start on that project next episode.